Hey guys, today let's learn how to use AI content creation with Canva's Magic Write. So if you guys would like to go ahead and utilize Canva's AI's Magic Write, in this video tutorial I'm going to go ahead and teach you guys step by step just how to do that. So please watch this video until the end to find out just how. Alright you guys, so what we need to do first is to go ahead and launch the Canva websites, proceed with choosing your preferred design, and then of course going to the option to tap on Canva's AI's Magic Write. So we have this option to just tap on our / buttons on our keyboard, or just tapping on this button right here. Now what we need to do first, or to do next, is to actually utilize the Canva's Magic Write option through here. So as you see, we have this option called grab text and stuff like that. We also have other actions that we could also use, and let's try to search for write. And we have this option, of course, to choose Magic Write. In this case, we want to go ahead and just enter the specific words to describe what we want Canva's Magic Write to create for us. And in this case, I'm going to go ahead and say an article about why iPhones are dominating the market. So just tap on generate and it's automatically going to generate that for you. And as you see, we have this right here ready for us to use and paste anywhere on our design. And that's basically all for this video. That's what you guys need to know basically about Canva's Magic Write. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something, and I'll see you guys on the next video.